Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Bash script. So today we are going to learn about if there is a hyphen in any of the string. So like something whenever we have a host name, right? And whenever you get the host name, okay. So here we some of the servers we have a hyphen, right? Like you can say anything Ubuntu hyphen this. So how to remove the hyphens in the string? So if I go and check this hyphen, this is hyphen, right? And if I go and just write with this one, okay, this is the hyphen, and this is again the hyphen over, right? So this is my current, you can see that, okay. How I'm going to remove this hyphen, okay. So let's check. We have this one to how to remove this hyphen with the spaces, okay. Currently before it is spaces, but currently now it's if the scenario comes like there is a hyphen, and if you want to remove that hyphen, so how we are going to do this, okay. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please do like it. So, okay, so let's get started. So here we have test this variable, so exactly it is, and there is you can see that here I have done echo test where whatever it is trim hyphen with spaces, okay. So this is the function test echo test over whatever it is and trim hyphen this one. If I go and let's save this and run this, okay. Currently is this one. Now I'm going to echo the test, echo dollar test. See, currently it's hyphen. Now it is without hyphen. So this is how we can remove the hyphens from a string with it and replace it by the spaces. So that's it for now, and we will see the next coming video what exactly we are going to do. So so any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.